What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you how to power your Coleman CT200U EX if you got an engine upgrade, so like the 212 Predator or whatever other engine you got, and it doesn't have the DC plug that you can plug directly into it to charge it, to power it. So there's two things you're going to need: some drill batteries, and then I'll link everything in the bio. You're going to need this adapter piece. Now what this is it comes with a fuse to, be safe for while you're powering it, and then it's going to come with this connector here. So all you're going to do is get you 12-volt drill batteries. I got a set that came with the charger, so that way I can charge it and everything. And once you get this piece, all you're going to do is take that plug piece that comes on the bike, just cut it, because you're not going to need it anymore once you get the adapter piece, because you're just going to be connecting the wires with this gray thing here to each other. So an important thing to remember is that your green wire is your negative ground and the brown is going to be your positive. So you're going to get this connector here, you're going to do red to brown and then black to green. Another important thing when installing this is you want to be sure you're plugging these wires into the right side, or it's not going to light up. Learned that the hard way, because whenever I first connected them, it wasn't cutting on, so I switched the sides and then it worked. And after that, you put your drill battery into this connector, your 12-volt drill battery. And then I think these are the M12 drill batteries too. That's what this adapter is for your M12 drill batteries. And then you just click the power button and then you got your headlight. Easy peasy, $9 off Amazon, and really easy to set up. Hope this helps you all out, and yeah, have fun riding, y'all.